Let me share my screen. Voila. You should see my screen now. Amazing. Amazing. So, where can we start? Start from USDT. Hi, Malik. Okay. Yesterday, I sent you out USDT when we were here, okay, on this clearly ascending trend line that was giving us the trend for, as you can see, this uptrend on the dominance. Didn't hit my main target here at 0.75. And at this point, I think we should get this with Bitcoin trading like at 58 level down here, okay? And then, as you can see, we had the line on the dominance from a long time, okay? On this high and this low here. And then you can clearly see how we bounced on these levels, okay? If I go, okay, here, it flirted with the level, again here, okay, again here with this little relief, and then the last target on this green box. Now we ranging on this level, we flip it, retesting the high, retesting the low, high again. We probably made a deviation above this level here, and we came down again. We're coming down again. So now we are potential on a support. That's why I moved the stop on Atom at 1.815. Okay, so it's very important now to keep an eye on this level if we bounce again. If we break down this, it's good for Atom long at this point, okay? For example, SPX is now going very well, recovered all the red timing he was having. So now it's going good as I can, from what I can see here. We have Atom. If you DCA, you should be like at least profit, but it's break even if you just entered on current market price. And yeah, it's pretty interesting now to see how we bounce. We're approaching live the level, so let's keep an eye on it. Okay. Axo called a good long that then decided to not take. There was a sweep of this level. As you can see, they've been played out perfectly. The guy is amazing, in my opinion, guys. For scalp, he is a master. Wait a second, sorry. Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah, I think so. And what else do we have here? Oh yeah, there was Ethereum that actually made a perfect 30-minute div here, 30-minute div on this cluster of POC, and to be honest, I didn't took it because we already approached the 0.86 level on this range, okay? Bottom range, you can see on lower time frame, this range here, but it was absolutely perfect in my opinion. And we didn't took it. We had 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's see if we also have 1 minute. No, took too long, but we had 5, 15, and 30. So it was perfect. SPX is going. This is actually maybe, I don't know if I updated it. Yeah. Okay, this is my actual entry price after DCA. I sent you out the update to DCA into it. And yeah, it's like almost 1 hour, so let's keep an eye on it. It's always a good thing to DCA, as I tell you every time. Then what do we have? Bitcoin. You can clearly see that the level that must be flipped now is this level here. Okay, so if we flip it, and we can go up. So then, if we zoom out, we have that 0.75 level. Okay, that I took from this high to this low here. Okay, and we touched it perfectly, and then we came back down on this level. So look at this level we just drew. Very important liquidity level, like here. Okay, you can clearly see the reaction on the levels. So if we make the deviation below this level here, we retest, and we can take at least these highs here. Okay, and would be in line with what Yabi sent out, that I think she has a short here at 72K, something like this maybe. Okay, that could be cool to run it to 58, I think, something like this. Okay, so what we want to see here, it's a spike with a swing failure pattern here, taking out all the liquidity here, and then we can run it down. I think should be very cool in my opinion. Solana, absolutely bullshit. I don't like it at all. And what else do we have here? Let me know. Yeah, we holding. Look, we grab a great liquidity here. I told you to DCA. So now if we keep the box, we can like run at least to these levels here. Okay. So at this point, if we can go through these levels, only here it's like 4R. Above here it's 24R. Obviously, I wish to get this move, but it's very, very difficult, obviously, with SPX also. But let's say, for example, I'm risking like $250 with this, and be like K on this one. I don't know. Let's see. For now, we stay humble and we wait for the play to play out, if you want to play out. So then also, what do we have here? We had Popcat. Also, it was coming to an important level in my opinion. I set some alerts. I wanted to take like at least all this liquidity, okay, with a spike down here, but it didn't give us the retest I wanted. Okay, and Adora is doing okay. Sorry, where is it here? Okay, so then let me see if we have any other interesting. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this is Zach. I don't like this coin. Okay, then let's see what do we have here. Ave was doing great when we were here. We moved stop break even, sniping the entry, but stop it at break even. And look, if we didn't move the stops to break even, would have been a loss. EP would have been a loss. Okay, and then I sent out Pepe. Would have been a loss. Okay, that's why we move stop loss break even once we have the divergence confirmed, because if it fucks up, it's a stop loss. Okay, Mohammed Ashraf, you can take all TP1 if you want. I'm not taking any profits at the moment. I think we can wait a bit, but you can do whatever you want as always. If you are satisfied with your profits, absolutely. Market give us opportunities every day, so don't be that greedy. If you are comfortable taking profits, you can take profits. Let's see if we have any other interesting thing. I had, oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at this motherfucker. I had these alerts. I was IFK, okay? This was amazing. This was fucking amazing. It was a 5-hour play. Also has, when I was away from keyboard, we had this 30-minute div on Bitcoin that played out perfectly with the pound we had like yesterday. I noticed that this coin dropped way much. 32% move to the downside. What also we have here? River. Oh shit. Oh shit. This shit pumping to $90. What the fuck? So, start from scratch. So we can see where we are now. To be honest, I would take like profits here. You can clearly see this level. And this level too. If it flipped this level, you can clearly see that we had, if you were able to get like an entry here on this on this area, we can clearly see that if it flips this box, we can take this ice here. Oh my gosh, and it would be like something like this. Oh my god, it's 40%. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can maybe play spot or low left. These are the two things. Look at Atom. It's a shit. It's a totally shit. Because if it doesn't hold this level, it's fucked up, this coin. Because, look. 1.364. Bro, it's like 30%, 40%. 8.64. That guy is amazing. Let's make it, bro, it's like 30%. So if you took alpha, it's good. Now you can wait to see if it give you a retest of this level and then pump. Otherwise, you can like, no, it's a 30% move. You can like took all the profits and run away to chasing for other opportunities. What I wanted to show you, yeah, Atom, guys. So actually, this year a bit my entry price is like 31, not 30, 31. Okay, so you can clearly see if we lose this level. Okay, what I wanted to do here, it was a 3 tap, 1, 2, and 3 here, and I wanted to move at least something like this. Then maybe we can also do another lower low, but at least I wanted to see some relief. They are like I don't know, it's weak at the moment. It's pretty weak. Let's see, because the funding rate is negative like since this morning, never changed. So I really I really want to see a squeeze to the upside on this coin. So this is what I want to see. let me take a look at the volume profile for this range. Yeah, we are here on the value area low. Oh shit. Oh, okay, no, I thought. Oh, with SPX TP1, I thought it was flying. I don't know. Let's see, because SPX could be something like here for TP1. We grab liquidity here. Okay. Look at this amber candle. Okay. And classic stop run. We are above the box again with the perfect DCA timing. And we can clearly aim here if it holds this level. Okay. So we can wait. Otherwise, and it's like a 4-hour. Otherwise, you can take profits on this, I see here, for example. Let's see. Okay. Then I had ARCM, I think. That was going interesting. Okay. Let me activate back the POCs. Okay. So there is this little cluster setting a couple of alerts. We have a peak on the 30 minutes. We have a peak on a 15 minutes, but went above the RSI. So if it comes back, we could play with the 30-minute div on this one, okay? With a couple of limits like here, here, and here. Okay, something like this, bump up. All right. Then also, what do we here? Oh, let's take a look at total. We didn't from a while ago. Again, let's start from scratch. And you can clearly see two main levels. Range high, range low. Now we are in the middle. Exactly here. We deviated below. If we hold this level, we can at least target here, maybe up and then up. Otherwise, if we start to lose here, we can took out this low. Okay. Pretty easy to see this, my opinion. Good deviation, expansion, retrace in the middle of the range. And then now it's a decision time, in my opinion. Hi, VNM. How you doing? I want to start to play a bit with gold, fam. To be honest, I would like to, and I start to play with it a bit because it might be interesting, in my opinion. So at the moment, the level I want to keep an eye on is this one with these weekly tapped POCs. Okay. It had an incredible run, of course. This gold, and let's see. We might add this to our calls, right? Obviously with Excel, so we have our POCs on the chart. All right. BNB. I wanted it down here. This is the main level for me. And would be in line with Bitcoin at like 558K. Would be great to catch this move here. Okay. But I want to see now that Atom wake up or not. Let me know if you have any question in the comment here, if you want to see any chart. But there's not so much to update at the moment. Really boring day today. Power. You guys sometimes hang out with this coin that I didn't see him from a long time. Oh, come on. Come on, power. If we can do it there, we do it here. I don't know why it doesn't work sometimes. Power. There you go. Let's move this up here so we don't have so much noise. Wow. Wow. Bro, too risky to play. How much did it? Bro, what the fuck? 600%. Oh my god. Bro, it's untradeable. How can you short it? How would you do it? Russians, I don't know. I don't know any Russian trade, to be honest. What would you do? I don't know. Where is the short position here? ABC, rectangle, price line maybe? I don't know how this shit work. Let's see here. I don't know why this fucking trading view doesn't work sometime. Power. Oh, wait, I have a... Fuck off. Never mind. Okay, I wouldn't trade it, to be honest. Very, 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 very risky, in my opinion, to trade this kind of gigapump coins. I don't have it. It's a sign out to trade power, yeah. Otherwise, you should like you saw that mega. Oh, right. That mega pump. You should like have a stop loss above $2.5 level, and you would have like a 2-hour trade into a risky one. Mine. I told Mina. I don't know why. Oh wait, came back. Yeah, didn't realize. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe it's a 20% invalidation. We had the first break of structure here. The first BOS here, yeah. And it's too risky. Because also from this perspective, you can see that it's breaking out again. So how is the funding? Let me see. It's negative, bro. Risky. Risky for, I don't know, 5-hour. Yeah, like 5-hour. The risk is that it's very negative, the funding. Okay, so you could have like a squeeze to the upside, something like poof. Okay, leaving back another big candles like this one, and would be too risky, in my opinion, to play it. All right. Tone. This motherfucker missed our entry for like an air. Would have been a great one to have like here and then a bounce. We can like come But it's very tricky, this coin, to be honest. It's very tricky. But I still have another down there if it's set up for a long. That's another one here. Okay. Yeah, guys, pretty boring day. We got like some stop loss, some trade stop at break even. We still have time to engage with the charts. Nice time to relax a bit, in my opinion. I have two positions. One is Atom. The other one is SPX, as you know. Let's see, but yeah, I decided to move the stop loss in Atom because if it loses that level, like it's fucked up, in my opinion. So it doesn't worth to keep 1 hour on that trade. It's better to risk like 0.5 at this point. Okay. Fem, so if you don't have any other request, we can end the stream here. As you know, always available for any question you have on the main chat. I have a mention. Okay, no, it's on the chat here. Italian, bro. I'm Italian. So let's see how it can go with like Atom and SPX, but it's pretty boring. Let's just take a look at how it's doing here, then when we can stop the stream. Okay, I want to see a bit of spot participation here, like we had here and here in this candle. Sure, I can take a look at SUI. Give me a second. And then here on Ethereum, here on Bitcoin here. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Not so much participation in spot. Base is buying, Binance flat. Binance futures opening shorts. Binance futures. Yeah, I'm not opening shorts, sorry, closing. So this is the OE participation in the market. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Let's see, because these fucking funding are still negative for SPX and Atom. We will see. I'll keep an eye on it for you all. Okay, let's take a look at SUI. Bye. What's interesting here? Is it a 0.75 level? No, it's not. It's not. So yeah, if it comes down here, it could be interesting. SUI again. Make SUI great again. This coin is like almost that. We can have a sweep down there. Okay. Otherwise, we have a deviation. We stay above these POCs and could have like a pump up here with this kind of scalp. But it's a risky one. Okay. If we go on a macro perspective, let's take a look at this with macro. You can see that in most of the chart, we are in this range. Okay. But here, as we have like in total, we have our range down, a range high. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, maybe we can have like a 3 here. Yeah, maybe another 3 here, and then up. Could be. Okay. So, fam, thank you so much for tuning in as always. I wish you all a great night. I'll keep an eye on these two positions we have, and we'll decide what to do with these two bad boys. All right. Thanks to you, as always, fam. It's a real pleasure to be with you here. And I wish you all a great night. Bye, fam. Thank you so much.